Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm taking a look at a piece of software called Stellar Repair for Photo. If you've ever had a photo that wouldn't open, became corrupted, or just wouldn't display correctly, this software is designed to repair those image files. One thing I like is that the software supports a wide variety of image formats. It works with standard formats like JPEG, JPEG, HEIC, and HEIF, but it also supports many RAW formats from popular camera brands. So whether you're taking pictures with your phone or a dedicated camera, there's a good chance your files are supported. The interface is also very straightforward. You don't have to be an expert to figure it all out, and everything is laid out in a simple way. Once you launch the program, you can simply click Add File and select the images you want to repair. You can choose individual photos or even add entire folders if you have several damaged images. One feature that's really nice is the batch repair. Instead of repairing one image at a time, you can repair multiple photos during the same repair process. That can save a lot of time if several files become corrupted on a memory card or storage drive. After selecting your files, just click Repair and the software begins scanning the images. When it's finished, you can preview the repaired photos before deciding to save them. I always like seeing a preview first because it lets you verify the results before saving the repaired files. Another feature worth mentioning is the thumbnail extraction. In some situations, even if a photo can't be fully repaired, the software may still be able to recover the embedded thumbnail. That can be really useful if you're trying to recover at least a smaller version of an important image. Photo corruption can happen for a lot of reasons. Maybe a memory card was removed too early, a transfer was interrupted, or your computer crashed while copying files, or a damaged device developed errors. When that happens, having software specifically designed for repairing image files can be a lot more helpful than simply hoping the files can just open again. The software also works with photos stored on hard drives, SSDs, USB flash drives, and memory cards. So you have quite a few options for recovering damaged images, regardless of where they're stored. Here on the website, you can also see some of the key features, including support for many different file formats, batch repair, preview before saving, and thumbnail extraction. It also supports current versions of Windows, including Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you don't want to install software right away, Stellar also offers an online photo repair option, which lets you try repairing supported images directly from your web browser. Overall, I think Stellar Repair for Photo offers a simple and easy solution for anyone who has damaged or corrupted photo files. The interface is clean, it's easy to navigate, and the batch repair feature is especially useful if you're dealing with multiple images. If you ever had important family photos, vacation pictures, or work images become corrupted, this is definitely a tool worth checking out. I'll put the links in the description below, so you can go ahead and download Stellar Repair for Photo, and also check out that free online photo repair option. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.